me, we get what we deserve. Oh, we get what we deserve. And we're down, we go, oh, 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 oh. From way down, we go, oh, 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 oh. So we're down, we go, oh, oh. Way down, we go. Oh, you let your feet run wild. Father, tell me, do we get what we deserve? Oh, we get what we deserve. And we're down, we go. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, we're down, we go. Oh, 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 oh. So we're down, we go. Oh, way down we go. Oh, you let your feet run wild. Time has come as we all fall. Oh, Father, tell me, do we get what we deserve? Oh, we get what we deserve. And we're down, we go. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, we're down, we go. Oh, 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 oh. So we're down, we go. Oh, oh. Way down we go. Oh, you let your feet run wild. Time has come as we all fall, go down. Yeah, but for the fall, ooh, my heart, do you dare to look me right in the eyes? Yeah. Oh, cause say we run you down to the door. Yeah, someday we run you down to the fall. And they will run you down till you go. Yeah, till you can't grow no more. And Father, tell me, do we get what we deserve? Oh, we get what we deserve. And we're down, we go. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, we're down, we go. Oh, 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 oh. So we're down, we go. Oh, oh. Way down we go. Oh, you let your feet run wild. Time has come as we all fall, go down. Yeah, but for the fall, ooh, my heart, do you dare to look me right in the eyes? Yeah. Oh, cause say we run you down to the door. Yeah, someday we run you down to the fall. And they will. Okay, that was done on YouTube. All right, just streamed it off of YouTube. I'll provide a link to it. Way down we go. All right, and there's the strip there, so anybody can watch this on YouTube. So there's the copyright or whatever you want to protect, whatever the case may be. So what one did you like? Granted, it wasn't the best video.
wasn't the best audio, but hopefully you listened to it. And so number 1 was just a 3-inch driver, or a pair of them. Number 2 was just 4-inch drivers. Right, number 2 is 4-inch drivers. Number 3 was the Dayton Audio, which is the tweeters, the 4-inch right there. The 3-inch you saw or heard first was right there. The 4-inch was right there. Then test number 4 was done in conjunction with the Dayton Audio plus the 3-inch drivers there. So what one did you like? Personally, I like the Dayton Audio plus the 3-inch drivers. The 3-inch drivers brought out more vocals. Now, this isn't the best environment for sound testing. I'm pretty much out in the open, hard concrete floor, table saw, king-size bed, wood products, paper. But anyway, I think you get the idea. And just let me put this on pause for a second. And just to give credit where credit is due, 9.5 million views 5 years ago, Radio Utopia. So there you go. There's where you can find it. Have a good day.